Take a shot. He's right there. Alright, let's go down there. They gotta be on those trees still. Keep an eye up on the tree, Mark. Fuck, there's like 4. Oh, he's right there, right there. Go up the tree, see?
Oh, I saw him.
He's right there. Get him. Oh, he moved. Shh. Wait, he's gonna get on the ground. Watch to your left side of that tree. Alright, keep moving slowly. Okay, stay on the right side. There's more up here, too. He might hit the ground and start running, so... No, he's still in that tree. Keep walking. Get up there, Mark. Right. Come here. Get up here. Watch the ground. He's gonna be up that tree. And there's more up here. We only saw one hit the ground. Mark. Come around this way right here. Go over that log and come over. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. If he's gone. No, there's still one up this tree though. We never saw him hit the ground unless he took out that one. Let's get up there and check. What the heck? He must have went that way.
Off the track?
Damn, there's 4. Where?
No, this is. I thought it was. Oh, maybe. Oh, it's just leaves. They gotta be in here. I didn't see
There's no way that squirrel took off.
No, there's no way. Do you think he's... I don't see any blood.
Let's go look up the tree. I didn't hit that squirrel. Mark, look up the squirrel tracks on here.
I know.
Not only do we see 1, we see 4 on the same tree. He's gotta be. Is there any tracks going that way? Fresh squirrel tracks?
Oh, there's a fucking dead coyote right there.
Oh,
dude. That scared the shit out of me.
nice dead coyote.
Look at that thing.
Look at the chomp in the back.
That's nasty.
Where's that squirrel at?
I don't see him.
Is any... Oh, there is fresh tracks going that way.
He went that way?
Wait, did he? Let's keep going this way.
Yeah. Let's go on to the tree. There's tracks all over the tree.
They're right on this tree.
I know.
And there's no way that squirrel got out. Oh, jeez.
I just saw a tail.
Are you serious?
Yep, I swear.
You're kidding me.
I swear.
Where? What tree?
That tree right there.
Where? On the right or left side?
Up in the arch of it.
Alright, stay here, okay?
Okay, Marty.
I'm gonna go walk on the other side, see if he's there. Stay there. Keep him. He's on the right side of the branch? How high up? Are you sure, Mark? You're 100% positive. don't think so. Hey Mark, let's go down that tree line over there. I know the one went that way.